over. Of course, you can't see because of the tree, but yeah, they got a. Anyways. Wow, that's a lot of amiibo.
Yeah. Got a pretty good trade-in recently.
I can tell. Like, I've been wanting some of these for a while. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Looking for anything in particular?
They got amiibo. I'm gonna probably buy those if I don't find if I have anything. If they don't have what I'm looking for in the Game Boy Colors things. Not those. These.
What are these?
These are amiibo.
What do they do? What are they?
They're accessories for your games. Been wanting a Dr. Mario. So this one is cool, but then this is also that one's nice. I haven't seen the
Pick
jigger.
out one you want and I'll get one for you.
Okay.
If that's what you want.
Look, Dad.
Mario.
Remember we can use
They're all from a lot of these are from Japan and also in from US, because some of them only have like the Japanese things right there, which is interesting. Yeah, I've been wanting the Dr. Mario, so I like both of these two.
You'll have to decide which one, I guess.
Captain Falcon was really hard to find. This one was super hard to find, and then this one was also hard to find, and that one.
Wow.
Those were not easy to find when they first released. And then SNES games are good, but nothing special. But over here, there's should be some Nintendo Power. Yeah, here they are. They're all the newer ones, though. Nothing really old. I guess the oldest one they have is early 2000s. Really, it's not anything special at all. We got 120 volume 127. All random ones. It's crazy how different it all is. Ooh, the Wii U one. Huh. It's nice. A little different. And they have some manuals. I sure like these manuals. I mean, these are nice. Just grab that manual for old stuff. Wow, Yoshi's Island 2, $84. That's not normal to see that at the price. Ah, Super Dodgeball, that one's good. But of course they always price it upwards every time. It always gets more expensive. There's a couple others over there.
Like, there's these little cave people.
Got some
like
art.
People running around under your
CRT.
while you're fighting. That's pretty cool.
And
If you
then
can,
I
like,
think
eat
I
'em.
don't think they have a Power Glove anymore.
It's awesome.
They have a whole bunch more consoles here. Guys, this is a hard decision, but
Pick up the one you want the most.
I'm either thinking this one or this one. Captain Falcon's rare, everything, but Dr. Mario, I've been wanting this one.
All the ones that do work are tested.
I'm a huge Mario fan, so I'll probably go with this, but I'll look around a little bit more first, just in case. Oh, look, they have the Dogbone NES controller. It's 20. And then they have some classic Atari games. If they have like something rare, then I'll definitely look into it. But so far, I'm not seeing any of the rare ones I'm looking at for. But if they have Yellow Label Superman, that'd be cool. Wait, River Raid. Oh, that one's good. It's a nice one. Yeah, they got Berserk. Some nice ones.
Hello. Hello. Help you find anything today?
I'm just looking right now.
Let me know if you have any questions.
I got my copy of Star Fox for cheaper than that. $24.99. I got mine cheaper.
Guess you got a good deal then.
Speaking of good deals, we're having a big sale for Black Friday this year. On this Friday morning from 6 a.m. till 9 a.m., every game and accessory in the store is going to be 50% off.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh wow, you got a
Including that Steel Battalion and Power Pad.
yeah, the power. I was looking at the Power Pad box, but is that a small or a large Power Glove?
Oh, well, I know this isn't the question you asked, but it's a broken Power Glove.
Yeah.
I think it's a large, though.
Yeah, that's a large. I've been looking for a newer one since I got one at the other location at Game Over a while back.
Was that in South Austin?
Yeah.
I remember you. I
Yeah.
used to work down there. How you been?
Yeah, I've been good.
You're a little taller now.
Yeah. I've been looking for a bigger one. It's given me some trouble, but it is working now. I had to take it apart.
Yeah.
Just the bigger size. This is a lot bigger. I mean, the buttons are missing. I guess
Yeah.
That's the whole problem.
That and there's no sensors with it.
Yeah. It's a nice glove though,
Yeah.
just to look at.
It would make a great prop.
Other than that, now still look at it.
Right, exactly. That's why we keep it around. People will go, is that a Power Glove? Yes, it is.
I know what the glove is. I just wanted to see if it was a large or a small.
Is what you decided on?
I'm probably gonna do that or this, but I'm thinking about it real quick. I'm either thinking about doing this or this one.
Ooh, that's a tough choice.
I've been wanting a Dr. Mario, but then this one's also really hard to find. Like really hard to find.
Did Captain Falcon get hard to find?
He's been really hard to find when he first released because no one bought him, and the only reason that y'all have it is because this is a Japanese version.
No, yeah, I remember when they first came out, and there were Captain Falcons everywhere. I'm surprised they're rare now.
They've been rare.
Yeah, I didn't
a
realize
while.
that. I knew the Zelda ones got rare, but
Yeah.
I didn't know about Captain Falcon.
Y'all still have the Mighty Final Fight,
Yeah.
and you put in more stuff there, huh?
Yeah, I put a little extra bag around it, just for protection.
$529.99.
That is also
I can
gonna
see
be
why they
half
still
off this
have
weekend.
it.
How much is it gonna be with half off?
So half off it. Let's see, that would make it about 215 before
That's-
tax.
Either way, it's gonna be expensive,
Oh,
no
yeah.
matter what.
Oh yes.
Okay, which one?
What you thinking?
I can give this guy some
I'll-
money.
I'll go with this one.
Okay.
Mr. Dr. Mario, you got it.
Well, I'm not gonna see that again.
And you probably already know this because you seem pretty well informed, but the Japanese amiibos, they are not region locked at all. They're fully functional with any American system.
Yeah. I'm big on collecting though, so
Excellent. Let me get the first and last name for the warranty.
Garrett Freeman. I was looking at the Game Boy Color game since I got this exact Game Boy Color recently.
Yeah, the yellow one.
No, I mean literally the exact one.
Oh, nice.
And I was looking at that because I saw that there's a Mario game. I think it's Super Mario.
Ready?
It'll catch up with you in just a second.
I don't know what it's called.
Sure. Gang Fridays in it.
Oh, yes. We usually have a line.
Do I need touch credit? Kelly credit?
Just put it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really? Line at the door?
I have some customers tell me that they don't shop for games any other time of the year.
Really?
They just wait
They
for
wait.
our sale. Yeah.
Because a lot of times it could be expensive.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Have y'all had a Rob in a while?
No.
Did y'all sell the other one in the other location?
Over in North Austin?
Yeah,
I think they did.
because
They did, yeah.
one time I came here and y'all had one just sitting there, and y'all said it wasn't for sale, and then y'all had another, and then one other guy came in and paid $50 for it. I wanted to buy it. I've been wanting even just a broken one because
Yikes.
I've been wanting one.
Yeah. Yeah, and I actually have never seen one of those at a store that I've been at. But I always hear about them in other stores.
There was one whenever I got the Power Glove. It was just sitting there, it was broken. I don't know.
Oh, at the South Austin store.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, I don't know.
it was the exact same day. So, yeah, thanks.
Yeah, no problem, guys. You have a great day.
Bye. Oh, classic music. Mega Man. I'm back at the house now, and here is my Dr. Mario amiibo. I do know that this is a Japanese one, but it will work on it anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out of its packaging and look at it in better detail. So I kind of want to keep the box at the same time, so I might keep it. So what I might do is I'll use these scissors over here, and I'll use it, open it like that. But and I hope you enjoyed the overview of it, and I really wish I could go to pinballs this time, but I didn't get to, so I just decided I'd do a small little thing since my granddad can't really pay high prices for things, or even $20, because, you know, that's just something to deal with, but, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of its packaging, and then we'll look into it. There we go. There's the packaging off. Now we're gonna take it out of this, and then I'll put it back in the plastic back in there. Here we go. I like to do a little thing called. Well, actually, I need to take this off too. That way, I can. See, I actually remember why this is here. This silver thing is here so that you can't use it whenever it's still in the box. If you stole it, if you ever wanted to keep it in the box or something, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in, and I'll keep it because I like it. I really do. I've learned from experience that is how you do this. Whenever you get a amiibo, and if you want to keep it, that's how you put it back. I know it's weird because you don't see as many people doing it like this, where you just keep the box But you know, y'all know me. I'm a Nintendo fanboy. So there we go, Dr. Mario. I'll keep that. Okay, so now we got the figure here. This one is pretty nice. It's got good detail. I'll do a 360. I like the pill. That's the really cool part. I really like this one. This is something I've been wanting for a while, so I'm gonna totally use this one. I'll show y'all whenever I get back to Lubbock, but I'm in Round Rock right now, so whenever I go to Round Rock, I always make sure to make a video for y'all. So, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.